Hi guys, today on the Sneak Peek Station let's sneak peek inside. Difference between OnePlus 7T Pro versus 7 Pro. What's expected to remain the same between the OnePlus 7T Pro and 7 Pro? Design, rear camera, front camera, and software. Unlike the OnePlus 7T and OnePlus 7, the OnePlus 7T Pro and OnePlus 7 Pro are expected to share a number of similarities, including their design. While the OnePlus 7T will change things up in terms of the rear, leaks suggest the OnePlus 7T Pro will look identical to the 7 Pro with a vertical camera setup on the rear, a full uninterrupted screen, and a pop-up front camera. What's expected to differ between the OnePlus 7T Pro and 7 Pro? Though many things appear to be remaining the same between the OnePlus 7T Pro and 7 Pro, there are expected to be a few differences, as you would expect. Liking the content, press the like button. Subscribe to increase my subscribers, nothing else. Display. OnePlus 7T Pro, 6.65-inch, Fluid AMOLED, 3100x1440, 90Hz display and OnePlus 7 Pro, 6.67-inch, Fluid AMOLED, 3120x1440, 90Hz displayed. According to rumors, the OnePlus 7T Pro will have a 6.65-inch Fluid AMOLED display with a 3100x1440 resolution for a pixel density of 516 ppi. The OnePlus 7 Pro has an ever so slightly larger display at 6.67 inches, with a 3120x1440 resolution, resulting in the same pixel density of 516 ppi, so they are nearly the same. Like the OnePlus 7 Pro, the OnePlus 7T Pro is expected to come with a 90Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 Plus is expected to be on board too, as well as an in-display fingerprint sensor. Processor. OnePlus 7T Pro, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus, 8GB RAM. OnePlus 7 Pro, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, 6/8/12GB RAM. The OnePlus 7T Pro is expected to be coming with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, coupled with 8GB of RAM. It is currently not clear in the leaks if there will be other RAM options. The OnePlus 7 Pro comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset, with a choice of 6GB, 8GB, and 12GB of RAM. Battery capacity. OnePlus 7T Pro, 4085 mAh, Warp Charge 30T fast charging. OnePlus 7 Pro, 4000 mAh, Warp Charge 30 fast charging. The OnePlus 7T Pro is expected to increase its battery capacity compared to the OnePlus 7 Pro, but not by much. Reports suggest the 7T Pro will have a 4085 mAh capacity under its hood, which is a 85 mAh increase on the 7 Pro. The 7T Pro is said to offer Warp Charge 30T fast charging though, which is claimed to be 20% faster than the OnePlus 7 Pro. The conclusion. Based on the speculation, the OnePlus 7T Pro will be very similar to the OnePlus 7 Pro, offering only a couple of upgrades. It looks like we will get a processor upgrade, slight battery increase and a display size decrease. Aside from that, there should be a couple of new features on the OnePlus 7T Pro, such as super slow motion at 960 fps and a new macro mode, as well as a new matte glass finish, all of which have been reported. That's all for today guys. Thanks for watching and hit the like button, feel free to subscribe.